What's up, guys? Guru here for another Guru unboxing. Today we have a set of Fly Maverik MX boots. These are entry-level boots. I think they're like 109 or 119. If you know where to go, you can get them a little cheaper than that. So let's check out, see what we got. These are the white ones, size 7. Nice. Yeah, these are an entry-level boot, guys, so you're not going to see any hinge or anything here. But, man, they have upped it a little bit in the last couple years by putting a design here now. So this is kind of like a really rough-feeling fabric. It's going to rub off quick, but it looks cool new. They got a little ankle protrusion there, but they fixed the buckles in the last few years. They work a lot better now than they used to. All you have to do is get the pins right there, and it snaps pretty good. It's got a system to keep it closed. So you got your Velcro up here. You got your mud guard, which should sit against your leg and keep you from getting dirt in there. And you've got the you're seeing this on all the entry-level boots now, just to let them kind of hinge a little more in the back. Now this is a boot that you will want to break in. You want to walk around in this a bit because it has no hinge. So you're gonna you need to get some movement right here, front and back. And it's going to take a while. With these entry-level boots, it takes a while to break them in, and then after so long they get too broken in to where they are not as protective. But especially awesome boot if you're just trail riding or just occasionally play riding. Not a good boot if you're seriously motocrossing all the time. You got a little bit of tread, shows you the tread on the bottom. The steel toe right there, and these run really true to size for sure. But yeah, that's just your basic Fly entry-level Maverik, and they're making them look a little bit cooler every year. So for $100 or less, you definitely can't complain. Thanks, guys. Hit subscribe, hit the bell.